What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Instagram. We are going to be live trading with you guys. First day back trading, so I want to say hi to everybody. If you guys do want to look at the YouTube is going to be youtube.com/smartmoneypedigree. Alright, guys? And here is where we are going to be live. So make sure you guys are ready for that. We're going to be trading in front of everybody right here. I'm going to stay in this Instagram for you guys as well. But if you guys are not on the YouTube, make sure you guys do tune into YouTube. We're going to be trading live, going over some pairs, seeing what we see here. I'm not really sure what we're going to trade today. If there is much movement today, we'll see. But like I said, we're going to be doing this almost every single day, trading with you guys. So we'll see what we get here. Let me know if everybody can watch my stream. I hope that the quality is perfect and amazing for the stream. So make sure you guys just let me know if it is good. What's going on, brother? All good? 1 second while I fix this. I'm fixing my live stream on YouTube and then I'll be good to go. Just making sure that everything is good here. YouTube Studio real quick. I do have a computer, I don't know if I'm going to be trading through the computer. What about your USD? I'll let you guys know once I go live real quick. I'll let you guys know, I promise. How can I check I can't even check my live on YouTube, that's really annoying me. I'm trying to check my live right now, it's not letting me. YouTube Studio. Do I go for buy? We'll see, guys. I'm about to get into it, so we'll see. We will see. Why don't you go every day at the same time? Abdi, I'll be going live every day at the same time, I promise. From now on, I'll be live every day at the exact same time. Literally every day. Let me make sure that everybody checks my live on everything. Have you guys seen Bitcoin? Bitcoin is absolutely flying. That is actually crazy how Bitcoin is going, right? Bitcoin is absolutely going, right? It's absolutely going. I don't think nobody expected for Bitcoin to be going like that, like how it is. Okay, let's go. GU, EU, and gold. I don't know yet. We will see. I'll let you guys know in a little bit. I don't know yet. I don't know. I haven't looked at charts in ages. This is gonna be my first day back looking at charts. This is literally my first day back, and I'm still debating if I'm going to like stream through my computer, through my laptop, or I'm actually gonna just move my computer all this way. It can be like really good connection. We might just do that so we have some really good connection. We're probably just gonna put it there. Let's start off EJ. I don't know. Just bought EU a few minutes ago. How are you, Lewis? I'm good, man. Straight love, you guys are gonna be trading a little bit. I'm gonna put up my screen. I'm gonna get my Ray-Bans so we can look at the stream together. So we're gonna be looking at the charts together through these glasses. Very cool stuff. So let me just flip them real quick. And we're gonna be going live with these glasses. We're gonna be seeing the screen together. And then we'll be trading with you guys. Obviously, if you guys don't want to watch it through the Instagram, you guys can always hop into the YouTube. We're going to be trading also on the YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys right now once we switch, obviously, from this to the YouTube, So give me 1 second. Oh, I took you guys a picture, sorry. I'm trying to, I gotta learn how to flip this. Music on, oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Alright, now we should flip from the glasses to double press the capture button. And we should be live now. Alright, look, so we're live, everybody. We're live on the Instagram now. We can look at the charts here as well. And we can look at YouTube videos here as well. So, GU and EU extreme OB, EU hit H4 demand zone. I don't know, we'll see. So, alright, so now getting back to the charts here, looking at DXY. Obviously looks like we had a big impulse. I'm looking at this level here where we had this opening gap, this new week opening gap. That's going to be important. This is giving us hints that we might have a bullish week heading forward. So I'm going to keep that in mind as well. Keep this in mind, this is only the H1 time frame. So this did happen on Tuesday. This was an opening gap as well, but we do have gaps are very important. Right? Price had that huge spike up, and we'll see what price is doing. Looking at this from a bigger perspective though, like if we were to go to the daily, we see that price is obviously now heading to an interesting level on the daily at least, right? We have kind of a bigger impulse. So the OB extremes of these levels are going to be from, I would say, this low to this high. But obviously we can see how from this daily perspective, we have dropped down in a lower high, lower low, and then now we do have an FEG here that it could potentially now start leading to a decline, right? To come back down to mitigate this. At least that's for the daily. But now heading towards the H4 here, looking at price. Again, price just looks very impulsive now. Looks like we did have this range. We try to make a lower high point that led to this lower low right here. And then we drop down and looks like price might try to continue going higher now for dollar, right? But that is what I am looking for. You are my liquidity, that's funny. Alright, so let's take a look at other pairs like GU. Let me put this on right now. Looks like we did take off London highs and the lows. We just had a big decline. Do we have any news happening anytime soon? That's another thing. Do we have any news happening anytime soon? We are still in a bank holiday for CHF. Nothing, JPY is still in a bank holiday, so nothing really interesting on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we do have ISM jolts and ISM for USD. So Wednesday might be a very interesting day. We might have some moves happening on Wednesday. 10 a.m. news, 2 p.m. FOMC, 2 p.m. FOMC, guys. So that's going to be important. We have 2 p.m. FOMC happening on Wednesday. Big decline here for GU. Looks like the market opened. It's not even open yet. It's 8:50. We should expect that. Probably a little bit to go here. Let's take a look at what's happening here. Just a big overall decline with GU. Not even sure what's happening here. But we will see. We will see what's happening here. Looks like overall impulse here. We grab the liquidity levels up here. It did grab that, so that's interesting as well. We could write that down there. X. And then price did have this decline. Looks like a complete bigger MMXN, right? All this impulses down here. Price tells us to drop down and grab any of this here. So we're looking at prices from where price has impulse or actually done quite anything from. It would be down from these levels, right? Price here headed up higher. Price here headed up higher. This OP is going to be interesting. If we are to break out of this level here, we're definitely going to drop back down to this level here, I would say. So this is going to be interesting to see if we do end up trying to do anything from these levels. Does price move here? Does price continue going lower? Does price go up higher? We do have the idea that dollar is obviously heading bullish, so that could lead to overall GU sells if I'm thinking about anything here. Problem is that I don't really see much here. There's not really much to guide us from, especially from our London highs and London lows, right? We weren't able to take off London highs and the lows. Looks like price is dropping down here. It's going to be interesting over here because if we are to start shifting, we will obviously see a very impulsive move up higher. Price just looks fairly bearish here. There's not much to look for with GU. GPUSD sell today is good. It definitely is good. We definitely don't have much here happening as of yet. Not much happening as of yet. I have to wait and see if we do get anything here though. Looks like price here. Big impulse. Headed up liquidity. Got tired of the liquidity that was creating so much liquidity here that it just broke out of this trend on liquidity here, right? All of this is just trend on liquidity. So literally to your liquidity that we were able to break out of. No, it didn't save it, whatever. Rather than zones, if we look at zones here from this overall GU impulse here, right? Like if we actually look at this a little bit more into detail, we do have this zone over here, right? We do have this OB right here that's a big impulse. And then we obviously have this zone here that it looks pretty tempting. It looks like price really hasn't broken out of this just yet. So obviously we're looking for that. If we do get a clean break or a clean rejection out of this, we could definitely continue going higher. Price had a little bit of overextended here and then went up higher from there. So we will see. This is going to be an interesting level. What I'm actually looking for, everything here. What I'm actually looking for with this levels is to see if price wants to break any of this. Like, are we going to break this lower high point? And then from here, if we head it up higher, then maybe I can be looking for some longs, you know? Like if we get a complete impulse that's showing me that price wants to continue going higher. You know what I mean? But if we do break out of this impulsively, then I can try to short it to go back down lower, you know? So it just depends on what structure is giving me here. It really does just depend. Well, push up, it looks good. EURUSD looks to be waiting to break below. It could. I don't know. I haven't traded index pairs either. EURUSD, basically the same thing. Basically the same thing with EURUSD, right? Not really much to guide us from, I guess, a level of demand here. We do have this FEG here that looks like it's breaking out of, so that's interesting. I broke out of this FEG as well. Looks like the only kind of empty zone that was left for price to do anything about it. Interesting. Interesting. Mapping gold, sir. Opportunities in gold. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Let's see what you guys are talking about with gold, man. Let's see what you guys are talking about with gold. Alright, so gold 5M here. It looks a little bit suspicious downside. Each one. Or happen. I could see what you guys are talking about for some longs. I could see it. I could definitely see it. Let me look at your liquidity levels here. Alright, so here we have Asian lows. We took off London lows, which is interesting. True day open, we're below the true day open here, right? Asia, true day open below as well, so that's also interesting as well. Anything what I would be looking for with gold would be for price to take off these levels here. I first need price to take off these levels here. It's liquidity levels. These are obviously liquidity levels here. Equal those. And you guys take this off. And then once we take these off, then maybe we can be looking for some longs. Because as of now, we're still within this bearish zone here. Could be hunting for this and Asian lows right here as well. So if anything, we're probably primed to be looking for some shorts. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Look, like if we're looking at M1 here, right, what do we see here in M1? M1, we took out this liquidity up here, right? Then we had a level of supply, respected that, dropped down. Another level of supply, respected that, dropped down. Looks like price then headed up higher, right? Lower high point, lower low from this level up here. Lower high point, lower low. We can now be looking for some sort of, you could call this, from this lower high point to this low. Oh, what's happening here? I don't know why I don't have a fucking premium. It's crazy. How do I not have premium? FVG right there, big ol' FVG right there. I'm definitely expecting price to take off these lows here. These lows are definitely gonna get taken. This should definitely be your target for gold today, right here. This is my target for today for gold. I'm looking for shorts here. I need to see something that makes sense for me to try to get on the short. Like from this high to this low, I would much rather prefer price come back up to, let's say, these levels here. So this FEG right here, definitely my target. Or if I make a new FEG, then we can still capitalize from that. But the overall levels that I would be looking for would be right here. So I would want price to come back up to this level here for gold, and then from this level I could be looking to short price all the way down to these lows here. So that is what I'm expecting for gold to happen here. So if you guys are looking at the live, we'll take a short right here. Stops, you can put it above. TP right there next to the 2 to 1, just to be safe, right? There is your gold setup. That is what we're looking for today. If we can get it, we're good. Lower high point, lower low. FVG right around the 68% mark. Took off liquidity, still trying to drop lower to take off the lows of the day. That's what I'm looking for gold. Gold sell, it could be. Mapping gold, sir. Gold. I'm looking for some gold shorts, man, right here. The price comes back up to the level, that's what I'm looking for. What do you guys think? Or if we make a new level zone here, but after that 930 mark, then we can still be looking. Like if price drops down here and makes me a new FVG, we can still be looking for that short as well. You know? What do you think on Nasdaq or not yet? This is gold. This is XAUUSD. Now the boring part is just waiting, right? The boring part now is just waiting. Oh, look at GU here rejecting these levels here, but still nothing to gain from this levels here. Still nothing to gain. We still haven't really broken structure. Once we do break structure, then maybe we can be looking for some longs again, right? Check the USD. Pretty much now it's just waiting, boys. Pretty much right now it's just waiting. Well, it looks like this, right? This is what gold looks like. It looks like we had a lower high point or a lower high point or low. We tried to go back up higher. We took off this liquidity. We couldn't go back up lower, so price must come down. Price is trying to definitely drop here. Price is definitely trying to drop here, right? At least on that 5 level. we can see how we also had a little bit of liquidity from these angles here. But look at price. We were trending up higher. We're trending up forward right here, right? You can see how price was obviously trending. Price was trending up higher. We're making higher low points, higher highs, higher low points, higher highs, higher low points, higher highs, higher low points, higher highs. And then we had this big drop down. The price was able to try to go back higher, and it should continue dropping, probably even lower than these lows down here, right? From a smaller time frame perspective. If we look at H1 here, it's kind of the same thing, right? You can see our price here. It's also trying to go back up higher. All-time highs up here. We were unable to break that barrier. Price had kind of a trending market, still kind of in this trending phase that we're in, still trending a little bit higher. This doesn't really mean a clean break at all. But then again, you can see how this higher high was trying to do it, and then we were unable. So again, it's looking like it wants to drop lower here. Price is just stuck though, I'm not gonna lie. Price is just stuck though, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys are not on YouTube, make sure you guys are on YouTube. The YouTube channel is Smart Money Pedigree. We're trading live right now. Same that you guys are seeing here, you guys are seeing on the YouTube. You guys can see, but just a little bit of a better screen. Obviously on YouTube, you can see my entire setup a little bit better. I need more water. I don't have water. Link on YouTube is down below. Smart Money Pedigree. The price is going up as we filled the 50 minutes FVG. What do you mean I am after done for what pair? You mean for gold? Or what pair are you talking about? How's the XY? We got PMI by 9:30 East today. Can't open? Why can you open YouTube? It should be there. It should really be there. It should definitely be there. YouTube.com/SmartMoneyPedigree. Hi bro, how to start trading? Baby Pips. BabyPips.com. My course is currently closed. I don't have a course. So I would just say go to babypips.com. The price doesn't want to move here, man. Price doesn't want to move. Price is just stuck in this range. We're kind of stuck in this box range for gold. We're not moving. Look, I will show you guys. Why can I change my glasses to this? Look, so price is kind of stuck here for gold. I'm waiting for price to actually do something here. Once we break out of this, maybe we can take all this liquidity here and then drop down for TP, you know? But as of now, we're currently just stuck. We are just stuck, my friends, just stuck. I feel like I might go ahead and just change my colors. Maybe I might go ahead and just change my colors again. You know, I like more like the white and green and black candles. What colors do you guys think I should do? What's your favorite colors for trading, guys? What do you guys like to have on your color candlesticks when you guys are trading? Like, what's your favorite color? I don't think like this color is too bad, but I don't know. It's kind of giving me like a retail vibe, you know. GPGPY 70.0. What should we looking at? I'm currently looking at gold. Green. Gold buy. I don't know about that. Gold is going back up toward target. Gold is going toward target to sell. While everybody's buying, we're looking to sell here. That's what we do. White and black, bro. White and black is nice too. White and black is definitely nice too. I do like white and black also. Do you think GPC will continue to sell? I don't know. It depends on what it does from this level. We'll see. It looks like it tried to drop here, wasn't able to make a higher high. Yeah, definitely. Just looks weak. It looks too weak to try to even do anything, you know. We have liquidity coming in 20 minutes. That 9:30 open. So signals for gold. Go on YouTube. We're looking at it right now as we speak. Not gonna lie, white and black. White and black is very nice. I might just change that color. Let's go to that real quick. Let's go change to white and black here. I just don't want my eyes to hurt. That's the only thing I don't like about white and black. My eyes are hurting, you know. White and black, and then we might change this to like a little bit of a wider stance. Like that, I guess. Maybe like this. It's too white. It's too bright, you know? I might have to do it like a little bit darker because then my eyes start hurting, bro. My eyes do definitely start hurting. Maybe green and black? Maybe green and black? What do you guys think? I don't know. You see, my eyes already like, it's like too bright. It's like, ouch. It hurts my eyes to watch this shit. Maybe green and black. Like a little bit of a greenish color like that. That looks a bit better. Just don't want my eyes to hurt. It's just hurting my eyes, I'm not gonna lie. That doesn't look too bad, right? What's really hurting me is the eyes though. I have to go down to like even all black. What can we do for like, ooh, what about green and red? Like normal but like dark, you know? Like this? Like normal colors, you know? What do you guys think about this? How does this look? A little bit. I gotta change the wicks. Where's that green I used here? Is it this green? I don't know what green I used, bro. My eyes were too because it was too bright. I should have first, but then I got used to it. Why? I don't know, man. I was trading with that before for sure. I've been part with every color, but I want to just like leave my eyes resting. I don't want to hurt my eyes. Like for what? You know, for it to look better in the pictures. Like who cares? What green did I use, bro? I used this green? No. This green, this green, this green, this green, this green. That's the green I used. Yes, that's the green I used. Oh, I don't like how it looks, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like how it looks. I don't know what color to use, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. What color do I use for candles? I need some nice color for candlesticks, guys. Alright, we'll do this. Whoever gives me the best candlestick color will win $10. $10, I'll give it to you crypto. For the best candlestick color. I need new candlestick colors that look nice. Just don't know what to use. I think green and black is pretty good too. You know? Oh, blue and black? Blue and black. You know, I was so fried before. When I was first learning ICT and learning about everything in liquidity, I was using all black candles just so I can understand structure a little bit better. That was something. All black candles. When have you guys ever seen that before? I was literally training with all black candles. Oh, look at gold just leave us. That's not nice. Gold is leaving us from where we wanted to trade it. We're looking for that short. It looks like it didn't want to follow our plans right here. Looks like price actually wasn't even want to take off the liquidity here, just trying to drop down to the lows here. Price is just going. Price is just leaving us, man. Little what kind of not too bad. Yeah. Okay. Guys, the food's here. I have to be back in a second. That looks pretty nice. I like how this looks right here instead of green, greenish vibe. I'll change this to like black or something. Or like white, like grayish. That's not too bad either. But I have my templates. I can't even see it. Can't see my buy side liquidity. I have buy side liquidity, I have sell side liquidity, but I can't see what the colors are. I wonder why. Oh, I think it's only have for like M5. Yeah, that makes more sense. That makes a lot more sense here. Alright, so looking at price here, we obviously had the spike up right here. Price tried to get back up higher. It wasn't able to take off anything. It took off this liquidity levels here. I can say that. It took it off. It gave us a nice little level that price is trying to decline from, right? So we took off this liquidity here on the H4. Price is trying to drop lower here on the H1, right? Why does it keep doing that? I hate when price, like my charts do that, like it doesn't show my visibility. I want to see the H1 as well. So price took off the liquidity here, was unable to continue going higher here, right? We dropped down lower, we made a FEG pocket right here. You guys can see this FEG right here. We refilled that right there. Let me just change this colors as well. I want a border. There we go. So this FEG got filled, this H1 FEG. So check that out. We got the H1 FEG for gold. Price trying to make a higher low, higher high. We broke out of structure here, right? Simple break of structure right there to break this. Where is price most likely going to go now, right? For gold, price most likely is trying to drop down now to this, take off this level here. So this is our next level of liquidity. This is going to be our SSL, right? That's what we're looking for gold, for price to drop down over here to take this, and then possibly even down lower. So looking at M5, what do we have here? You can see M5, we have price in that FEG that we just marked off. Again, we took off the liquidity levels there. We have this FEG up here that we still haven't filled. That's what I'm looking for sure. So now keeping that in mind, with all of this intact, we have this breaks of structure here on the H1. H1, we can mark that off as well. H1 and H1, right? And then we have price here. We have a little bit of a smaller FG that we can look at, and we still filled on M5. This looks very promising. Right there, right there. We still haven't tapped it. And we have the liquidity on the M1 right there. So, keeping that in mind, plus M5. What is that? Plus M5 right there. Boom. So, keeping it simple, what are we looking for now here with gold? We're looking for price to drop down to these levels here, right? We want price to basically come back up when this 930 open strikes, and then from here drop down to this, and that's it. We're good for the day, right? Just one trade a day, we should be good. What time is it? 9:18, still nothing. Set up right there, guys. Can we get it today? Can we not get it today? The screen is so dark. I fixed it. What do you mean? You guys think it's really dark? The could runs 9:30? I think so. I think we have the could runs at 9:30 for sure. Here's the 9:30 strategy. BTC sir. How are you finding the rate better band? How long is the last stream? I think it's like 2 hours. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, and it's pretty nice. You can record while you do anything, take pictures, and stream as well. So it's pretty conventional. I'm not gonna lie, especially for traders. I mean, at least you were streaming to your followers like me, and then for a student, if you trade with your students, sometimes I trade with my students, so that's also convenient. But now it's just a waiting game. Does price want to go to TP? Does price want to move? Does price not want to move? It's just fucking stuck, man. Oh, look at gold go. It's leaving us. What I do hate about SMC trading is that sometimes we have the right bias, but we just can't get in because the liquidity is already there. Like, obviously the liquidity here, there's a lot of liquidity. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. This liquidity right here is already there. Like, this is already built up liquidity. This is built up liquidity. That price might just want to take. We don't want to see this getting grabbed before we drop down because that is the impulse that we're trying to grab for price to come to TP. So As long as price is not completely breaking that, we're pretty much good set for price to come back up higher here and then have the decline. But if it does drop down here, then the setup is completely broken, because this is what's basing us for price to drop down to this level, you know? This built-in liquidity there. All right, how much time left? We have 8 minutes left for the volatility spikes to happen. How long have you been trading, bro? For 8 years now. Sorry, for 7 years now. 1, 2 year. Nice, got it. All right, now we just sit back and wait and see what price wants to do here. That's all we gotta do now. Just sit back and wait. Oh, this is so boring from gold, man. What is going on in smaller timers? Let me look at each M1. Let me see what's happening here, M1. Not really much here. Still liquidity and built here. No real FEG on these levels here. Try to capitalize from liquidity from both angles, right? There's a lot of liquidity here, a lot of liquidity here. We're just stuck in the liquidity zone right here, I would say. Pretty much this entire box is just liquidity. That's why I definitely want to see us getting grabbed before I look for shorts. Because then, if we do drop down and take this, we might have an opportunity to take all the liquidity levels up here that haven't been grabbed. There's so much built-in liquidity right here as well, right? Do we get gold today? Do we not get gold today, man? What do you guys think? Are we gonna catch gold slipping today? Are we gonna get that sell? This price is gonna drop down. This price is gonna hit stop loss. What do you guys think? I hope we get gold. I want to get gold first trade of the year for me. Hopefully it hits TP, you know. Let's go. Price is going to the entry. Price is going to that entry. This winning game just sucks, right? Whenever we have like no liquidity presence start moving. 9:25, we have 5 minutes to go for liquidity to strike for real. We might be moving here in a couple minutes, boys. Might be moving. Oh, price is going to entry right now. We just had a big impulse higher for gold. It was unable to tag us in just yet, but it looks like we might be getting tagged in promptly. We might be getting tagged into gold. Cut off for the gold today, pretty good price action. Nice. And we are officially about to get tagged into gold. Officially. Honestly, you can get into gold right now. Like, why not? Like, you're risking a couple pips. If you want to just get in right now, you can get in. Make it at 1.86, 1.89 to 1. Risking 25 pips to make 48 pips. So gold sells are now if you want to get the trade that I'm looking for, you're risking 25 pips to like 48 pips, a 1.89 to 1, basically a 2 to 1, basically a 2 to 1. And now as I hit the original entry, and now it's just flying. You know about John Wick candle? What is that? What is a John Wick candle? Well, price is just going up from that entry that we had. If you go back there and look at that original entry, it would have gone triggered in a little bit of a liquidity spike up here. Let's look at GU. Price is still very weak for these pairs as well. Alright, so gold is giving us some nice rejections here. Again, we don't expect the volatility, but we'll see what price does here. Alright, we're back. I was getting in the gold sell, you guys. So I'm officially in the gold sell, you guys. I'm risking 1%. So it's a 100K account. I'm risking $1,000 to make roughly 2.2. Here's gold. We should have our new 30 AM time now happening. Check it out. Beautiful. Beautiful right there. You guys know how it goes. Nice rejections. Dropping now very, very nice here. Heading to that 9:30 time. We're now missing roughly, let me see how much time we're missing for price now to start moving. I can't even check here the time here. So we are missing, where's the line? Like, where's the clock? I can't check the clock. Whatever, price is about to hit 9:30 is what you guys gotta know. So now we're actually gonna start moving here. Either we're gonna get stop planted or we're gonna drop down the TP. But price is looking very, very nice here from this level, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You're up 650 on gold? Jesus Christ, what type of losses did you put, brother? You guys are crazy. Look at that, live in front of everybody, let's see. You guys are something else. $650 on gold? What the hell is this guy? Why you didn't answer? I'm in it. What do you mean, Torque? See, I'm in it, brother. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Sorry, I'm just fixing my entries here, making sure that I have everything set up. I don't want to have a wrong setup, you know? Oh, look at gold go! Look at gold go! Price is just so annoying. Like, this first week's trading, price is not going to be how you want it to be. Like, you might want something to happen, it's going to stay stuck majority of the time, you know? So you got to be very, very patient with price, because I don't know, it's just annoying to watch. You know, we had price give us a nice candle right there, then it didn't drop, and then I was just stuck again when we had the 9:30 open. This is very annoying. But what can you do? Can you do it every day? Yes, I'll be live every day. What broker I like to trade with? I'm currently funded with FTMO, so I'm trading on FTMO's broker. Hello, Adiya. How do you say your name? Aditya, is that how you say it? Sorry, I don't know how I say your name, brother. What do you think of Pepperstone? Never traded it, but I think it's a regulated broker, so it should be good, right? It's a regulated broker. Never traded it though, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. Oh, look at GBP USD over here breaking this higher low point level. I think we should close out of gold, especially with that big reductions that we just had. Price over here is looking impulsively. So yeah, just close out of gold if you guys are in gold. We'll take that break even for now. Obviously, when price has that big impulse like that after these big rejections, it's not really trying to go anywhere. So we'll close out of gold for now. We'll wait and see if prices want to go down to TP, but we'll look for more setups now because once we hit that FVG and then we try to go back up higher to it again, it's never good. What you want to see for SMC trading is you want FVG to drop down and then continue going. If it gives you kind of this type of setup right here that we just had here, like, let me switch back to my things. If it gives you this, where we had a nice rejection, we tried to drop lower, we were unable to, you never really want to be in that setup anymore, right? It's just not worth it because majority of the times when prices go back up to your entry after reject that level as an equity trader, you are going to get sucked out. You are now being hunted for liquidity. So you can definitely close out of that for now. And I'm going to keep my eyes on GU here. We might get something for GU here. Price might want to start going back up higher from these levels. We are a very nice level of demand here, as we can see. Rejected at that, right? Does price want to go back up higher for GU? We also have to be looking at sentiment. We have to keep our eyes on sentiment here. It's very important as well. Oh, I gotta upgrade like now. That's really annoying me. I can't see my time frames. Yeah, you see, that's exactly what I meant. Look at gold now go from our level completely now just bursting through it. See, so these are things that you just have to look for when you are trading SMC. Things that just are logically correct. You have to know what price would be doing. Obviously, it was a good setup, but once price gives you that big rejection, you have to know how to close it out of it. So we closed it out. We're good to go. Made a pip and profit in that. At least we didn't get stopped out. It's what matters. So now looking at USD, interesting setups here as well. Lower high point, lower low, FVG right there. Price could be looking to fill this void right here. We have taken off London lows as well, so it's another interesting thing as well. Back to through the open, still so much liquidity levels below here. Big OP right there as well, right? Interesting OP right there. What about gold? What about it? GU isn't really giving any clear direction, or EU, or gold. I mean, gold is still a little bit confusing because we are at this level. We are back at that H1 FVG, that we did fill a little bit. There's still some empty spaces up here. But it's just looking like price might want to come up a little bit higher here. So I'm just waiting to see what we get here. I want to see if we get a liquidity run if price maybe wants to go back up to this level here, right here, right? We do have a little bit of FEG here that we still haven't filled. So depending on these levels here, we could still short price. It just depends on what price wants to do here, right? Because we are still bearish for gold. Even if we have these impulses that we just had, we still haven't taken off Asian lows. We're still in this range where price had a nice decline here. This is a big overall impulse, this right here, right? Sort of big overall impulse. So as long as we're not breaking that, we are still pretty bearish. So that's exactly what I'm kind of keeping my eyes on. I wanted to see if we can get some sort of run here. Maybe we take off the liquidity levels up here, this right here, and then this. And then once we take that, can we get some sort of, I guess, impulse downwards, or we can now continue looking for the shorts that haven't been grabbed here, because a lot of this is a lot of liquidity, right? We still haven't grabbed any of this liquidity down here. That's a question for me, you know? Here's our H1, here's our H1 level here, right? Oh, I gotta charge my glasses. So I'm gonna turn these off, I'm gonna charge a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my other glasses on. My eyes are definitely not gonna be hurt anymore at least. I'm bullish on gold. Yeah, gold could definitely be bullish. It just depends on the levels that it has to break. You know, you never really know I never really know as a SMC trader like what the price is going to do for that day. But I'm looking for liquidity. That's always what I'm looking for. So a price can just go up higher if it wants to. Like price can absolutely fucking go to the moon if it wants to, and that's fine by me. I will never get in the sell unless it gives me what I'm looking for. You know, so when we're looking for that sell earlier, we had the setup, and it did drop down a little bit, and then it went up, and then we closed the trade at break even, right? So that's fine by us. But we understand what price is doing here. Now we're getting a little bit of an impulse here. It's interesting because we are completely filled. Not yet, we haven't filled that level up yet. So this could be something. This could be something here as well. Big liquidity run right there for gold, and it's looking like it's dropping yet again to take off these levels here. No FEG that can guide us, but that is definitely a displacement right there. That is definitely what you're looking for. When you're looking for something to tell you to go short, you're looking for displacement, which is something that's obviously obvious to see. It's giving a lot of volume for price to go back up lower. And that's definitely what it's giving us right now. It's giving a very nice displacement for price to drop down here. So obviously no kind of real FEG where we can say it looks good for us to get in that sell, you know? Not yet, at least. Not yet, at least. Trying to get people to sell here to buy. Trying to get people to buy here. Yeah, this is gonna be a very nice sell right here. I'll tell you guys why, because it's getting people to buy here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the same levels that you had here. I can still go for these levels right here. When I said 1.75 to 1. Gold sells as we speak. Gold sells as we speak because it's gonna get people to buy here. Why? Because we are at FEG where people are looking to buy here. So I'm currently in some gold sells as we speak. I'm looking for the lows here. I don't think it's gonna go back up higher. 1.75 to 1. Alright? 1.75 to 1 gold sells as we speak. Gold sells as we speak. I'm telling you guys. Check it out. Try to fix this.
Get this out of the.
Check it out. Check it out. Look at that draw, baby. Gold sells as we speak, man. What the fuck did I tell you guys? The fuck did I say, brother? The entire day we're looking for that short. I saw it. I saw it as soon as I saw price right here, this FBG, trying to drop down lower. I saw that happen. That is a beautiful TP right there. And we are done for the day right there. I hope you guys took that on the YouTube. We are done. That was beautiful. Alright guys, you guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade, don't leverage, stay trading, and peace. See you guys tomorrow. Let's go team. Let's go YouTube live. Why can't I take a screenshot? We have 5.5k viewers today. That's crazy. Yo, I can't take a screenshot, boys. What the fuck? Turn on my phone and reset it. It's really annoying me. Really annoying me. I can't take a screenshot. That was a very nice sell to the lows. Beautiful. I hope you guys all took that right there. Nice, appreciate it, bros. Alright guys, we're done for the day. You guys know how it goes. Peace, peace.